Hi, my name is Steve Brewer, and this is my video for the Esperanto Lives campaign on Esperanto Day in 2015. I learned Esperanto starting in 1987. I had first heard of Esperanto from science fiction books that I read as a teenager, and 1987 was the 100th anniversary of the publication of Esperanto. I was kind of surprised to discover that Esperanto really existed. It was a real thing that people actually spoke. Both I and my brother got books and taught ourselves Esperanto, and I've used it. I was astonished to see how easy it was as compared with other languages that I'd studied when I was younger. I was a Spanish major in college, and I'd studied Spanish in high school, and I felt like I achieved the same level of fluency in Esperanto after just a few months. After about 6 months, I could use it fluently, understand what people told me, and speak relatively confidently, and was kind of astonished by that experience. Esperanto is also interesting in that it's everybody's second language. There are essentially none or very few people that learned it as children growing up. Almost everybody learns it as a second language as a young adult or an adult. And that transforms the nature of the relationships that you form with people, that you come at it both on a level playing field and have a shared experience about how you came to Esperanto or how you learned it. Since learning it, I've used it for everyday correspondence to exchange messages with people and write blog posts and things like that. But I've also done some more serious writing, and I've had several short stories published. I've also had some poetry published, and I've even won awards. I've also traveled internationally with Esperanto. I was invited to speak at an Esperanto Congress in Brazil, and I also gave a talk at the World Esperanto Congress in Denmark several years ago, and attended the 100th Esperanto Congress that was in France this past year. If you're looking to have a language that you can genuinely master and speak to fluency, you might think about Esperanto. It really is unique among the other languages of the world, and although there aren't many Esperantists in any one place, there are some Esperantists almost everywhere. And if you invest just a little effort in reaching out to people and arranging your trip in advance, you can often find people that will meet you at the airport, help you find a good hotel, and give you a tour of their city. It really is a remarkable community. Thank you.